Yeah. Island night falling slow. I feel you in the breeze. Moonlight touching on my shoulder, soft wind calling out your name. Every heartbeat getting closer, but nothing feels the same. I was walking through the darkness, trying to heal my broken soul. Then you came into my silence, and you made me whole. Now the ocean sings around me as I stand beneath the sky. Every tear I used to carry slowly fades from my eyes. Hold me closer, don't let go. Boy, your love is all I know. Moonlit Island Romance, hold me close tonight. Underneath the stars above us, everything feels right. Moonlit Island Romance, don't you fade away. You are the only love I'm feeling every single day. Moonlit Island Romance, stay here with me. In your arms I found forever, naturally. Every kiss feels like a promise, every touch a melody. Boy, your love is my direction, you are my destiny. I remember lonely evenings when I cried myself to sleep. Now your love is like an ocean, pulling me so deep. No more broken dreams of yesterday, no more empty nights alone. Now I feel your love surround me like I have finally come home. Come closer now, don't let go. Boy, I need you more than you know. Moonlit Island Romance, hold me close tonight. Underneath the stars above us, everything feels right. Moonlit Island Romance, don't you fade away. You are the only love I'm feeling every single day. Moonlit Island Romance, stay here with me. In your arms I found forever, naturally. If tomorrow brings the sunrise, promise you will be by my side. Through every storm and every struggle, we won't divide. Let the ocean keep on singing, let the night hold our song. In your love I found my healing, where I belong. Yeah, baby, island love, stay with me. Morning slowly starts to find us, but I don't wanna leave. Every second in your presence is all I need to breathe. No more empty nights of longing, no more shadows in my mind. Now I see a new beginning, one I never thought I'd find. Boy, boy, you are my shining answer to a prayer I used to pray. Now I wanna spend forever, never drift away. Moonlit Island Romance, hold feels right. Moonlight Island breeze, you and me forever. Island breeze, your love's still calling. One love. Morning sunlight on the water, your smile shining in my eyes. Every little word you whisper lifts my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat tells a story. Every touch feels soft and true. Never knew that love could find me till the day I found you. Now the ocean sings our love song. Every wave calls out your name. Every sunset feels much brighter. Nothing ever stays the same. Hold me closer, stay with me. Your sweet love is all I need. Whispers of your love fill my heart tonight, holding me so gently. Everything feels right. Whispers of your love flowing like the sea. Every little word you say brings new life to me. Whispers of your love, sweet as morning rain, every time you call my name. Love begins again. When the evening breeze surrounds us, I can hear your tender voice. Every moment spent beside you makes my lonely heart rejoice. Walking barefoot by the shoreline, watching stars begin to shine. Every dream I ever wished for now has become mine. No more tears of yesterday now. No more nights of feeling blue. Every road has led me closer, straight into loving you. Never leave me, stay so near. Your sweet voice is all I hear. Whispers of your love fill my heart tonight, holding me so gently. Everything feels right. Whispers of your love flowing like the sea. Every little word you say brings new life to me. Whispers of your love, sweet as morning rain, every time you call my name. Love begins again. If tomorrow brings a new day, promise we will still be one. Every sunrise, every sunset, our Please love our way. Ooh, baby, stay with me. One love. Morning finds us still together, hand in hand beside the sea. Every smile you give reminds me who I'm meant to be. Through the seasons we will journey, through the sunshine, through the rain. Every whisper, every heartbeat brings us close again. Nothing in this world could change us. Nothing pulls our love apart. You will always be the melody playing in my heart. May give you all my love now. Every dream belongs to we. No matter where life carry we, together we will be. One kiss, one touch, one heartbeat, one love. Whispers of your love stay forever near. Every little word you speak is all I want to hear. Whispers of your love, soft as evening breeze. Wrap me in your loving arms and never let me leave. Whispers of your love, this love will never end. Forever you're my lover, my soulmate and my friend. Whispers, and breeze, one love, forever. Hold me close tonight. Island breeze, one love. The moon is shining on the water. Your eyes sparkle in the light. Every moment feels like heaven. Hold me close tonight. When you wrap your arms around me, all my worries drift away. Every heartbeat tells me softly, love is here to stay. Every smile you give me, darling, warms my heart so naturally. Like the waves that kiss the shoreline, you belong with me. Come a little closer, don't let go. is where my heart will hide. Every breeze that softly touches feels like your sweet embrace. Every dream I've ever wished for, I can see upon your face. Walking slowly by the ocean, hand in hand beneath the stars. Every little conversation brings us closer than we are. I don't need no golden riches, I don't need a palace grand. All I ever really wanted is your heart inside my hands. Stay a little longer, hold me near. You're the only one I want right here. Hold me close tonight, never let me go. Rock me in your loving, nice and slow. Hold me close tonight, under moonlit skies. Every time I look at you, love comes alive. Hold me close tonight, stay here by my side, forever in your loving arms is where my heart will hide. If tomorrow brings a new sunrise, promise you'll still be here. Through every joy and every sorrow, we'll conquer every fear. Dance with me until the morning, let our hearts beat as one. Every step we take together, our forever has begun. Ooh, baby, hold me close. Morning light begins to find us, still we're smiling face to face. Every kiss becomes a blessing, filled with love and grace. No more lonely nights behind me, no more tears for yesterday. You have filled my life with sunshine, in your love I'll always stay. Every promise that we whisper, every dream we share is true. My forever starts and ends with loving only you. We give you all the art now, every beat belong to you. No matter where life carry we, in love will always true. One kiss, one touch, one heartbeat, one love. Hold me close tonight, never let me go. Dance with me forever, nice and slow. Hold me close tonight, till the morning light. Every day I'll fall in love with you again tonight. Hold me close tonight, this love will never end. Forever you're my lover, my soulmate and my friend. Hold me close tonight, one love forever. Dance with me. Island moonlight, one love. The music starts so softly, your hand reaches out to mine. Every step we take together feels so pure, divine. Gentle waves are rolling slowly, palm trees dancing in the breeze. Every little moment with you puts my heart at ease. When you pull me close so gently, time just slips away. Nothing else could ever matter while we sway. Hold me closer, pull me closer, move with me. This is where I want to be, dancing in your embrace, slowly through the night, wrapped inside your loving arms. Everything feels right, dancing in your embrace, hearts beating as one underneath the island stars. Our love has just begun, dancing in your embrace. Never let me go, rocking with your sweet love, nice and slow. Moonlight shining on your smile makes my spirit fly. Every time you look at me, I forget the world outside. Every heartbeat tells a story, every touch feels warm and true. Every dream I've ever wished for, I have found in you. No more lonely nights behind me, no more tears to hide. No, forever feels so beautiful, standing by your side. Stay beside me, hold me near. You're the only one I need, right here, dancing in your embrace, slowly through the night, wrapped inside your loving arms. Everything feels right, dancing in your embrace, hearts beating as one underneath the island stars. Our love has just begun, dancing in your embrace. Never let me go, rocking with your sweet love, nice and slow. If tomorrow brings the sunrise, promise we will still dance on through every season of our journey. Our love will stay strong. Let the music keep on playing, let the moonlight light our way. Every rhythm, every heartbeat brings a brighter day. Ooh, baby, dance with me. Morning light begins to find us, still we're swaying hand in hand. Every smile becomes a memory, more precious than we planned. When the world feels cold around us, your embrace becomes my home. Every road we walk together, I'll never walk alone. Every promise we have spoken, every dream is coming true. Every beat inside my heart now only dances close to you. May give you all my love in every peep soulmate and my friend. Dance with me forever. One love, island breeze. Forever in your arms, one love. Morning sunlight finds us smiling, hand in hand beside the sea. Every little dream I've wished for now belongs to you and me. Your sweet laughter fills the silence like a song upon the breeze. Every moment spent together brings my heart to peace. When you hold me close so gently, nothing else can take your place. Every heartbeat keeps reminding love has found its place. Hold me tighter, don't let go. Love me like you'll always know. Forever in your arms is where I want to stay, wrapped inside your loving Let our hearts beat naturally. Every rhythm tells the story of our destiny. Ooh, baby, forever. One love. Morning light begins to find us still together, heart to heart. Nothing in this world could ever keep our love apart. Every smile becomes a memory, every kiss a melody, every whisper says forever, just you and me. When I look into your eyes now, I can see eternity. Every prayer I've ever whispered lives inside of me. Me give you all me, loving every dream belong to we. No matter where life carry we, together we will be. One kiss, one touch, one heartbeat, one love. Forever in your arms, never let me go. Rock me in your loving, nice and slow. Forever in your arms, till the morning light. Every day I fall in love, one more time tonight. Forever in your arms, this love will never end. Forever you're my lover, my soulmate and my friend. Forever in your arms, one love, forever. Ocean breeze, your love surrounds me. One love. Morning sunshine paints the water, golden waves beneath the sky. Every heartbeat grows much stronger when you're standing by my side. Soft wind carries all your laughter through the palm trees to my soul. Every moment spent beside you makes my broken heart feel whole. When you gently hold my hand now, everything feels fresh and new, like the ocean found its shoreline. I have finally found you. Come a little closer, stay with me. Your sweet love sets my spirit free. Love on the ocean breeze, blowing over me. Every little whisper feels walking where the waves are dancing, leaving footprints in the sand. Every dream I ever prayed for now is resting in your hands. When you smile, the world grows brighter, like the sunrise on the sea. Every word you softly tell me brings new life to me. I don't need a world of riches, I don't need a crown above. You're the greatest gift I've ever known, wrapped in endless love. Never leave me, hold me near. Every moment keeps you here. Love on the ocean breeze, blowing over me. Every little whisper feels like destiny. Love on the ocean breeze, soft as morning light, holding me forever. Everything feels right. Love on the ocean breeze, stay here by my side, in your loving arms forever, is where my heart will hide. If tomorrow brings the rainfall, we'll still dance beneath the sky. Nothing ever could divide us as the years keep rolling by. Let the ocean keep on singing, let the waves keep time for us. Every heartbeat, every sunrise fills our hearts with trust. Ooh, baby. Even when the daylight fades now, love keeps shining like the stars. Every road will lead me to you, no matter where you are. Every promise we've been making lives inside my heart each day. I'll keep loving you forever, come what may. Every sunrise, every sunset, every season, every tide, I'll be standing here beside